morning, YouTube. Happy Monday. We are in sunny Cornwall today in Lost Hill. Sorry, my pronunciation is terrible. Quick little job this morning. Tidy up this wonderful little garden. Make it looking sharp again. Got the dream team with us again. Here he is. Where is he? There he is.
Hello.
Say hello, Frederick. He's a man of many words, as you can tell. Yeah, just a quick pressure wash. Bit of hypo down. Tidy up the garden. Oh, the sun's in the way. And yeah, and that's it. So, without further ado, while we're setting up, I'll give you a quick tour. So, hopefully you can see all of this and it's not too noisy from the tank filling. There's Freddie. Freddie's going to come with you on a little guided tour today. So, start the garden. Nice steps going down to the front of the house. It's only a little small job today. Come on, Frederick. Come on. He's a bit shy, bless him, though. Very handsome chap, though, look. Right. Nice bit of tarmac round. Oh, trying to trip over the hose. See the side gate there. This, I think, Frederick, how are you going to clean this little bit? With
a pressure washer.
With a pressure wash, brilliant, yeah. The flat surface cleaner's the way for it, I think. Lots of green down here as well, which is great, so we'll get this around. Nice blast of fresh air, some hypo. I think it's a bit loose, this down here, but maybe some gentler pressure on here. Coming round. Whoa, the fierce dog! And some steps. Yeah. Hello, doggo. He's not very happy that we're in his garden. And that's it. So, without any more faffing, we're going to finish getting ready, and get squared away. So, I'm going to try some real time today because we put a lot of time lapse in and I thought it would be fun. So, me and Fred will get to see actually using it, swearing, you know, the real deal. So, enjoy. So Freddie's going to give us a quick demonstration on turning this wonderful Alpha A4 from PWS on. Go for it, Freddie. Perfect. Well done, Frederick. Round of applause for that man, look. Two-finger ripple, look. Well done. So ladies and gentlemen, we're getting there. It's looking pretty good. Oh, camera dirt. So, Freddie's now going to take over. Here he is, look. He's so excited. So, Freddie, why don't you just give us a quick chat and tell us what your plans are with this little bit?
So I'm going to do a line down both sides, probably about 2 turbos width, and then send the flat seam into Perth on.
That's a new bit of kit we've got. The flat seam is
Flat surface cleaner. There we go, that one.
Yeah.
Down the middle to get all the rest on, and then tackle the back.
Perfect. Right. So, I'm going to get out of the way so I don't get really dirty. Now
I'm washing it all down, make sure it's nice and tidy for the flat surface cleaner.
And there's a lot of crud on the floor, so we want the flat surface cleaner to work as well as possible. Look at that. Nice. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're enjoying it so far. I thought you might like the little trick with the writing on the pavement. That was quite fun, wasn't it? And that only took us like 6 takes to get it right. Oh, sun. So a few of people have contacted me and asked us about our gloves that we use. So I thought I'd just have a quick go. These ones here, lovely. Ansell, and these are the chemical sleeve gloves. You can get them on Amazon. The link's in our description actually. Thoroughly recommend them. We use them roof cleaning, pressure washing, any time that we're just touching anything dirty really. They're absolutely spot on. So if you wanted to know exactly what gloves they are, Ansell Touch Tough gloves. I'll put a link to all the different sizes straight on Amazon. I think they're even on Prime, so you get them next day. But yeah, smashing. Any questions about any of our kit, as always, guys, just ping me a message, send me an email, give us a phone call, whatever you like. All the details in the description. But yeah, more than happy to help. All the best. Big moment for Frederick now, because it's the first time he gets to use this little bad boy. He set it all up himself. He's turned the machine on himself. The young Padawan is learning. He's doing well. Right, but he's going to give us a quick demo. I can just tuck under. Which way are you going to go, Fred?
I'm going to go this way first.
Are you going to start back there?
Yeah.
Okay. I've got my gloves on. They would have been really good a minute ago because I walked up the hill, just over there, just round the corner, and slipped. But Freddie wasn't filming at the moment. That would have been a you've been framed moment if ever I've seen one. So remember with this, don't stop it. Always, when you've got the trigger pulled down, always keeping it moving. So start off with tilt it to the side, and then squeeze the trigger. And keep moving. Perfect. And slowly. Yep. It's perfect. how did you find using the flat surface cleaner?
Quite simple.
Quite simple?
Yeah.
Is it idiot proof, would you say?
Yeah, it is idiot.
Good.
Apart from the word.
Apart from the word. Look at that, hasn't he done a good job, look. Obviously we've got to rinse it all down, but it's good. We can't put it on this bit down here because it's just uneven and loose and it's a nightmare. But look at this, how shiny is that, look. What a good chap. Right, now I've got, the only problem is I haven't upgraded yet to the Q adapter for it. So now each time I want to unplug the flat surface cleaner or plug it in, I've got to turn the machine off, which is a bit of a pain. But, when I've got all my pennies together, I will invest in it. I think they're like 50 quid, something like that. Straight from the same guys who made the machine. So PWS, Precious Washers Stafford. It's a mouthful. It's a proper tongue twister. But anyway, Fred's going to give you a quick demo of what I'm talking about. So that's the end of the hose, literally. So it just plugs in the bottom there. Look. It's a bit like the Q adapter, but that's just a giant quick release. A bit like what you get on your garden hose, but significantly better. So there we go. Anyway, and if anyone's ever wondered, these cables weigh an absolute ton. The 30-meter one is a beast to pick up as an individual. So it's fun and games. And again, one day when I've got the pennies together, we'll get a nice reel in the van. Oh yeah, big news, sports fans. It's Monday today, so Monday the 26th of February, Erica's birthday, my wife. You met her before. Happy birthday, Erica. Big news is that our van is getting delivered tomorrow. So it's only a little, what is it, Felix or Freddie?
It's a Renault.
A Renault.
It is, yeah.
Do you mean a Renault?
Renault.
Renault. Renault. It's like a nice little grey thing. We'll get a sign written one day. It's beauty. It's going to absolutely transform. So in this job here, if we had the full 80 meters of cabling, which is what I'm going to buy next as well, we could have just set up on the road, which is all the way over there. Look, this is Cornwall, so road access is never easy. And we could have just run it straight from the van, so you can see where that car is up there, maybe. Just, can you? Let me see. Yeah, just up there, where that is up there. So we could have set up down there, run the hoses all the way down here, run the tap, the garden hose back up again into the van, and then happy days. You know, instead we've got, you know, all this crap everywhere, and it's awkward and or dangerous. So anyway, Fred's going to switch that over now, put the turbo on, go and do the edges, do the little bits between the fences, then it's chemical time, wash down and home. Done. Also, sports fans, quick update here. Like, these lances are amazing, but they are massive. And in tight spaces like here, they're a little bit awkward. So I need to invest in a slightly shorter one with a quick release on the end of it. Just because Cornwall is so narrow everywhere. Everything that we do is narrow, and it's a bit awkward. I'm only little, and that lance is bigger than me. Look. So working down these little alleyways and whatnot. But I've already found the one that I want, also from PWS. Just saying, you know, brand loyalty and all that. But that would be a bit of a game changer for us. So Fred's going to do now, he's going to do the steps around all the edges, in between the fence gaps down there. We can't lift this out of the way, and there's just nowhere for it to go anyway. So rinse all these, wash all these bits down, wash all these bits down, and then do that loose area over there. Not sure if we're going to turbo that though. We might just have to use the 40 degree on it because it is a bit loose. Then it's rinsed down, everything gets rinsed down, chemicals, rinsed down again, home, done. All right, enjoy. It's my turn to make myself look like a fool now. So, easy start nozzle thing there, that's on. Fuel on if it wants to. Choke's fine, hopefully. And glorious. gentlemen, we're almost finished. Just seen me and Freddie doing the rinse down, and now it's chemical time. So we have a big can of sodium hypochlorite 15%, and then we have our chem jet from Equip to Clean, link in the description. That just plugs straight into the end of the gun, so it's got a Q fitting. Plonk that end straight into the chemical barrel. Set the dilution rate by pulling it, clicking it, and then you can twist it. I don't know if you can see in there. Oh, it's got a little thing that spreads so you can control the direction of the water. Alright, so we'll quickly spray this down, leave it for about an hour, rinse down, and that's it, it's home time.
So if you can hear me through my mask, PPE is important. Q fitting, best invention ever. Means I can do this while the engine's still running. So, just literally slots in, locks in, and it doesn't work. There you go. And that's locked in. So the chemical's being drawn straight through there, so it's got nothing to do with the pressure washer. And then literally just getting fed water from the machine. Right, I'll give you a quick demo.
So ladies and gentlemen, that is that. We are all finished. It is about 2 o'clock-ish. We haven't exactly rushed today, but it's taken, what, 4 hours, give or take, including the time for the chemicals. To be honest, Fred and I have just been having fun making YouTube videos, so it's been a good afternoon. So I'm going to take you right around the garden now, so you can see how we've got on. And please like and subscribe our channel. Obviously every little interaction that you do really does help us, so if you can just spend 1 second and click that little subscribe button, it makes a big difference to me, Freddie, Felix, Constance, and of course Erica. Now you've met the entire gang, so if you can find the time, please do it. Share the videos if you want, comment on the videos, and yeah, see you next time. Thanks very much. So starting out the back, big transformations. Hopefully the sun's not in your eyes. Look at that. Looks nice and new and clean. So it's had hypo, it's been rinsed off. Everything looks nice and shiny and new. I just can't get rid of that puddle no matter what. We tried, might spend 10 minutes getting rid of it, but no. Back up the little side path. And into the front. Oh, there he is, Fred.
Goodbye.
Say goodbye to everybody.
Have a wonderful day.
And lovely stuff. And that's it. So you can see, it's made a big difference actually. Looks really nice. It's a nice easy surface to clean, to be honest, but it's just been a bit awkward with the fence and whatnot. We've just been having fun today because it's the first time in like 6 weeks that it hasn't rained yet. So yeah, anyway, remember, like and subscribe, let us know what you think in the comments, and see you all next time. Say goodbye, Fred.